Hi, I'm Dr. Edward Scheid. I am a neurosurgeon specializing in spine surgery and the founder of Neurospine Plus. Initially in early high school, thought that I was going to follow in my father's footsteps and become a lawyer, and I had a volunteer experience at a nursing home and just found myself immediately taken by the people, their stories, and being able to help them. I did my undergraduate training at John Carroll University in Cleveland, Ohio. I fell in love with neurosurgery, and in particular spine surgery, because you can have an immediate impact on a patient's quality of life. Meaning that if they come in disabling pain, you can perform a surgery and like a light switch, they can be better. And that was very dramatic and very rewarding. So after college, I went to Thomas Jefferson University and Jefferson Medical College for my medical school. I then stayed at Jefferson. I went to the Jefferson Hospital for Neuroscience and Thomas Jefferson University Hospital for my internship in general surgery, and then also for my residency in neurosurgery. I always knew that I wanted to once again be my own boss, and the opportunity came to really start my own practice, and that's how Neurospine Plus came to be. The patient's symptoms are the most important, but we need to correlate what the patient is experiencing with what I might be seeing on their x-rays or MRIs, because when you can coordinate both and they both meet up, then you know you've found the true issue as to why the patient's having pain. When a patient is seeing me for the first time and they're presenting with a problem, it's important to know that my philosophy is always that surgery should be the last resort. There are a multitude of options that the patient should try and really must try before they end up deciding to have an operation. And one of my roles is to help guide the patient through those different options. There's a multitude of things that can allow a patient to avoid surgery. Now, unfortunately, there are some times when those more conservative options don't work, and in those situations, surgery can be considered as the treatment. A relationship with a patient when they're having a neurosurgical or spine issue tends to be an intense relationship with the physician for a short period of time. My job is to get to know that patient, get to know their problem, find a solution for that problem, and then bring that relationship to a successful conclusion.